WBC, World Boxing Council has confirmed that they will appear and hold a meet. The Boxing Expo will also coincide with the highly anticipated rematch between Saul Canelo Alvarez vs Gennady Golovkin that will take place later that evening. WBC will have merchandise, fan pictures taken at their special photo booth with the Greenbelt, interactive games, meet. The World Boxing Council is a boxing elite sanctioning body and has as its maximum priority to work and protect for athletes' safety and health inside and outside of the boxing ring. The WBC was founded in 1963 and led by José Suleiman, who was unanimously elected on December 1975 as president and served in that capacity until the time of his death on January 16, 2014. His son Mauricio Suleiman has succeeded to the presidency since then. The WBC is now composed by 165 countries from around the world. Don Jose. Some of their greatest champions are Muhammad Ali, Mike Tyson, Julio César Chávez, Oscar de la Hoya, Sugar Ray Leonard, Floyd Mayweather, and Manny Pacquiao among others. WBC joins WBA, Thomas Hearns, David Benavidez, Jose Benavidez, Badujak, Mia Street, John, Jesse Vargas, Eric Morales and Fernando Vargas as an early commitment to this year's Box Fan Expo. About Box Fan Expo. Box Fan Expo has been a huge success with fans and boxing industry people. Many boxing stars have attended the last three expos, such as Floyd Mayweather, Mike Tyson, Roberto Duran, Tommy Hearns, Marco Antonio Barrera, Roy Jones Jr., Marcos Maidana, Sergio Martinez, Keith Thurman, Danny Garcia, Tim Bradley, Deontay Wilder, Amir Khan, Sean Porter, Fernando Vargas, Zab Judah, James Toney, Vinny Pazienza, Mikey Garcia, Mia Street, Johns, Leo Santa Cruz, Badujak, Terry Norris, Riddick Bowe, Ernie Shavers, Leon Spinks, Danny Jacobs, Abner Mares, Jorge Linares, Brandon Rios and many more. Exhibitors such as boxing gear, apparel, new equipments, energy drinks, alcohol, supplement products, broadcasting media, sanctioning bodies and other companies who wish to participate will once again have a chance to showcase their brand to fans, media and the boxing industry. Tickets to the Box Fan Expo are available online at https://boxfanexpo.eventbrite.com. Box Fan Expo is the ultimate boxing fan experience event, which allows fans to meet and greet boxing superstars of today, current and former world champions, legends of the sport and other boxing celebrities at their booth. On-site, fans will experience different activities from autograph sessions, photo sessions, face-off with your favorite boxers, as well as a chance to purchase merchandise and memorabilia from their booth, plus so much more. You won't want to miss this must-attend expo. Box Fan Expo will also feature top boxing organizations, promoters, ring card girls, famous trainers and commentators as well as boxing gear companies, all under one roof. Throughout the several weeks leading up to the event, there will be weekly updates on the many stars that will commit their appearance at the Boxing Expo. And for anyone in the boxing industry or other exhibitors, non-industry, who would like to be involved and reserve a booth, contact Box Fan Expo. Telephone number 514-572-7222 or Las Vegas number 702-997-1927. For any inquiries, please email boxfanexpo@gmail.com. More information on the Box Fan Expo is available at http://www.boxfanexpo.com. You can follow Box Fan Expo on Twitter at https://www.twitter.com/boxfanexpo and on Facebook at https://www.facebook.com/boxfanexpo. Read more articles about